Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shanneek. Welcome. I'm glad y'all are here. I moved into a new apartment. I'm a big girl now. I don't have to share an apartment with someone. I don't have a roommate. I don't have to share my cabinet space anymore. It's all me and I'm proud of myself. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me through this journey of decorating and getting it together. As you can see from the first clip, that was an overview of how the apartment looked without me moving my things in. You'll see after how it looks after just me and my mom. And I'm so grateful for her. Thank you so much.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often.
This is a real raw footage of what it looked like after moving my stuff in. So y'all saw the before clips of how it looked empty. I didn't think I had this many stuff, which doesn't look like it's a lot on camera maybe, but it was just me and my mom carrying all these boxes, all the heavy things, and we did it. We got it done and we did it. 'Cause we're strong, independent, and we don't need nobody, right? We're just ready to eat. Coda, please. I'm exhausted, I'm not gonna lie. So I worked last night, yesterday. I worked a 12-hour shift from 7 to 7 p.m. Right after I got off, me and my mom were just moving these things in. We just started moving boxes. She came down, or technically came up to help me from Georgia. So I'm super grateful for her. Wouldn't have done this without her. Without her, I think this would have took me like maybe a couple months. Let me just get into the details of what's going on. So y'all saw in the first clip the overall view of the apartment and how it looked when I first moved in here. Super nice. Love the modern look to it. Super just aesthetically pleasing, as they say. And I love the gray and white. Gray and white all the way. Y'all see I have gray and black and white. Like, those are my colors. I'm going to have to get all of this organized. All of that. It has to be moved and rearranged because I already ordered my furniture set. So I'm gonna have to move this stuff like... What in the world? Did y'all hear that? It's like a ringing noise. That's so weird. We're gonna have to sage this place. I already got my furniture set, so, and they're supposed to be coming. So today's Wednesday. It is 7:37. I did get to sleep in a little bit after we got all that done. So they're coming tomorrow around 7 to 11. I'm not sure. They didn't give me a specific time. I'm gonna have to get all of this moved and organized and in a nice little pile because that doesn't look good at all. So this is how far I got. I cleaned up the kitchen a bit. Y'all saw how of a disaster it was, and I put my bed in here because I just went ahead and actually steamed the carpet because I think they had a pet. So I cleaned the blinds, steamed the carpet, and I'm just gonna sleep in out here, and this is how it looks. I started around 7 and it's 12:49, so I'm gonna eat and call it a night. And I kind of pushed myself, so I'm gonna eat and just watch YouTube. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I can't change it, the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. talking about on your timeline. That's cutting on my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting on my time. My time.
I haven't updated y'all in a while, but I'm in Dollar Tree trying to get some little stuff like cleaning products. I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree, I think, Target, and Ross. So I made myself a little list of all the things I need right here. So yeah, just follow along. Ooh. So I need some carpet cleaners, so I'm gonna get some of this. I know they have pets beforehand, and it reeks of like a pet smell. I kind of like the Island Mist better. I kind of want to open it, but I don't want to be that person. Never mind, we're gonna get the Island Mist. Let's get some comics or comet. How do you say this again? I don't know. We're getting lavender scented. Let's get it. I'm gonna go to Ross and see what they have. I need a mask. I feel like COVID rates. Woo! I forgot I have a paper cut. Box cut me and sliced my finger open, but that hurt. I forgot about that. We getting the Target brand Up and Up dish, like quick drying thing. And I got the Up and Up paws. They're only $8, but they gonna work the same. Never bought candles from Target before, but they smell so, y'all. I was about to make y'all smell like y'all just smell. Ones that were on sale are completely gone. Like this is only $3, it was $12. That's gone. These people are not playing. I was gonna get a TJ Maxx, but these are only $6, and I believe they're literally $6 at TJ Maxx as well. So, ooh, y'all, this is cashmere lavender. You can't go wrong with this. Let me see what this smells like. I might get this because I'm trying to go with a certain scent. So if I'm getting vanilla plugins, I might as well get this cashmere and lavender. This is cute. I like this. I wonder if I should get it. How much is it? It doesn't even have, I don't even think it belongs here, but that's super cute. Target has some cute things. What would I do with this? I don't know. Let me put that back. So I really don't want to get anything I don't know I would do with it, so we're not gonna do that. This is my first time ever shopping in like Targets. I like that. See, I like this bin, like to put my towels, or not towels, but to put my blankets in the living room. That would be cute, but I'm not paying $95, so yeah. Ugh, I'm so hungry. I need to go home. I'm sitting here walking around Target. Okay, plush blanket, only $15. It's a twin extra large. I also got one of these lamps. I know y'all have seen it on like TikTok and Twitter and whatever, like sunset lamp. I'm gonna set it up and I'm gonna show y'all because I think it's gonna be cool. But I got the rainbow color one. I'm gonna set this up and show y'all. While it's out, I got me some Zaxby's. If you don't know what Zaxby's is, it's like a chicken place. I think it's only here in the South. Got me some cheese bites. Ooh. It was hefty with the amount too. Then I got me some wings and things. So comes with bread. You get traditional chicken, fries, and then chicken tenders. So I'm about to eat, watch some YouTube or Netflix, and just chill, and then I'll come back to y'all. I'm so pissed. I don't even think I'm mad. I think I more want to cry than be mad right now because I moved to the state like 2 weeks ago, right? I've been having a hard time finding someone that does textured hair, and I had my faux locks in for like a month and a half. They were really outgrown. I'm sure y'all saw it in the previous clips. I found this Facebook page for braiders and whatnot, and I paid this girl her page. She even had like, let me show you. She even had a legit page for you to book on. Like Kayla Slays is the name. She has all these rules, all of that. She has pictures of her services, and I was gonna get the stitch braids. Like, she had a good price, and it was like wash included, wash and blow dry. So I sent the deposit, which was $30. Like, it's only $30, but it's like, it's $30 more I could have. Because, you know, like, moving is not cheap, y'all. I spend a whole lot of money, and I work hard for my money. So I sent her the deposit, and last night, oh, by the way, the girl that did my faux locks did a really, really good job, to the point where it was hard to get them out. Like, I couldn't just unravel the faux locks and take them out. That was not happening. It was not. I had to cut around it. Like, even when I tried to unravel it, it just wasn't, like, it was intertwined. Like, it was more like it was like laced into my hair. It was just so weird. So if I cut my hair, I don't even care at this point. She did a good job, which I understand why she told me, like, she's had a client that said hers lasted 6 months before, because all you have to do is like re-wrap it, the part that's regrown out. So I can see how it lasted 6 months, because those braids did not want to get out. I started at 7:30. I didn't finish till 4 o'clock. Why did it take me almost the same amount of time to get freaking knotless just to take out my hair? But anyways, you see her website look legit. I realized last night she didn't text me or anything, so I'm like, okay, that's weird. You know, like a follow-up appointment, like, hey, I just want to make sure your appointment for tomorrow, blah, blah, blah. None of that. Go on Facebook Messenger. I'm blocked. I'm blocked. I'm blocked. I'm blocked. Why am I blocked? First sign right there. Cool. I'm like, hold up. No way this girl blocked me. Like, I really got scammed. So I went on her Instagram page that was following on my business page. Blocked. Page doesn't exist. So I'm like, you know what? Let me search her on my personal page to see if I'm really blocked. Found the page. This girl is out here scamming folks, and I'm about to report her ass. I'm about to report her to the BBB or whatever this lady at the salon told me to do, because what she did, her address, what she did was bring me to a different salon. Just so it made it look like it was real, but it was a different salon. She doesn't exist there. I literally just moved here. This like sucks. Like, it really sucks. I'm over it. I'm over it.
Back you got cheese riddles?
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Have a great day. I got food to feed my sadness. I got a McGriddle. Bacon, egg, and cheese. I really meant to get sausage, but it's okay. Not thinking because I'm sad. I'm not even mad. I'm sad. Hey. Why do you want to test me? You had to get the last word? Anyways. Don't lose your common sense today, please. You better not bark. No, I saw it. Do not bark again. Or get in your cage if you're going to do that. Because you're going to be in timeout. And he went in there. Hey, y'all. It is currently 6:17. It's the afternoon or evening time now. I done slept the whole day out. I was so upset earlier, and I barely been getting any sleep lately, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just sleep. Any inconvenience in life, I'm gonna sleep. Y'all see, I still got this bonnet on, and I really don't want to wear this bonnet in this video because I hate when I have my bonnet on in the video, but I didn't get my hair done, as y'all Coda. I never got my hair done, as y'all saw earlier, so I'm gonna cover up my hair because I got natural hair and it shrunk, and I'm not about to come on camera looking like that. So this is what y'all are gonna get. I'm just about to feed this dog. So I'm about to feed him, organize, get stuff together, because honestly, I want to be pretty much done with everything at least by today. And like I said, I slept all day, so we're about to be up all night getting this together. I'll see all these dishes in the sink.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting.
I got another story time for you. I just realized, like, whenever there's too much good happening in your life, there always has to be some bad trying to squeeze its way in. Like, when I say squeeze its way in, like trying real hard. Y'all know that happened this morning with me with my hair appointment and me getting scammed. I came home, went to sleep. I wake up to somebody like banging on my door, like boom, boom, boom. I'm thinking it's the cops, because that's what it sounded like. It's my upstairs neighbor, and she's like, hey, did you spill dog food? And when I moved in 2 days ago, I did spill a little bit of kibble, a little bit of dog food, but I cleaned it up, because as soon as I spilled it, ants was just rushing to it. So I cleaned it up that day, and she was like, well, can you come downstairs and clean it up for me right now? I have guests coming. Like, She was trying to be like nice, but you can tell she was like being very condescending. I keep in mind I had just woken up, so I was like out of it. I'm like, what is this lady talking about? I get downstairs, keep in mind I don't have a broom yet. I need to go buy a broom. So I came downstairs with a paper towel to like sweep it off, you know, into a pile and then pick it up. And she was like, do you not have a broom? Like, she's around the corner waiting for me, like basically acting like she's walking the dog, but she's still sitting out there waiting. And I was like, no. And then we passed this guy that's outside on his patio about to smoke a cigarette. And I just looked at him like, okay, when I just wake up, I'm so out of it. I felt like I was sleepwalking. Like, I was so confused on what was going on. And I looked at him, but I didn't think to say hey or anything. Like, I'm like, I'm trying to process what's all going on. And she was like, this is blah, 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 say hey. Like, why are you treating me like I'm your child? First of all, no. And I didn't process any of this until I got back in my place and I was telling my mom about it. So I got a cup of his kibble to show it to her that it wasn't me. She was like, well, I've been living here for a while and this has never happened. So she's basically trying to say it was me, even though I've been telling her it wasn't me. I'm going outside and I'm talking to my mom about this, and she's, y'all, when I tell you, my mom was like, who was that knocking like that on your door? I'm like, Mom, that's not even my door. She's upstairs knocking on the neighbor's door trying to figure out who it was. Like, you're doing all of this and wasting all this energy when you just said you had friends coming over. Clean it up yourself. I'm not, like, you see her knocking on everybody's door, disturbing them. Like, girl, crazy. Devil's trying to work. The devil is trying to work.